Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to our English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 7th. So students, as you know that we have completed over 2 lessons of unit number 2. So today we are going to do the words meaning of those lessons. So mention heading. Unit number 2, traditional stories. Chapter number 1, why the tortoise shell is not smooth. Mention date, today is 3/7/2020. Classwork and day is Tuesday, and draw the margin line. Then chapter number 1 is why the tortoise shell is not smooth. So words meaning. Number 1 is ungrateful, showing or expressing no thanks. Cunning, clever or tricky. Eloquent, clear or vivid speech. Grumbled, complain in a bad temperament. Crashed, accident. Stuck, unable to move. Chatty, talkative. Plumage, feathers covering bird's body. Then we have chapter number 2, the lost ruby. Words meaning. If you want to do them as it is on the same page, you can write, or if you want to skip it and you want to take it to the other page, you can do that. Monarch, ruler or king. Spirit, soul. Defender, a person who defends. Contrary, 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 on the other hand or opposite. Then bribed, give money in order to help in wrong way. Then steward, a person who takes responsibility. Then amazement, surprise. Forfeit, something taken away because you have done something wrong. Then mysterious, difficult to understand. Then dignity, respect and honor. Then commencement, beginning or start of anything. Then astonishment, great surprise. Hastened, hurried, bestowed, to give or to provide. Then disappearance, lost. Eternal, forever. Endure, to bear. Commend, to praise. Fortune, luck. These were the words meaning of these 2 lessons. So students, now we are going to do the summary of why tortoise shell is not smooth. Give heading, chapter number 1, why the tortoise shell is not smooth, and then summary. Once upon a time, all the birds were invited to a feast in the sky. They prepared themselves for the great day. When the tortoise heard about the feast, he made a plan to be part of the feast because he had not eaten a good meal for 2 months. All the birds refused to take him with them, but he manipulated the birds and succeeded to go at the party. Tortoise took feathers from all birds and looked like a king of all birds in multicolored plumage. At the table, Tortoise deceived everyone and ate all the best part of food. Nothing was left for the birds. The birds left the feast in anger and took back the feathers which they gave to Tortoise. To take revenge from Tortoise, Parrot delivered a wrong message to Tortoise's wife. When the tortoise jumped from the sky, he crashed onto the compound and his shell broke into pieces. The medicine man stuck together all the bits of shell. That's why the tortoise shell is not smooth. So you have already learned this story. You have heard about this story, that what happened in this story. There was a tortoise who was very clever, and he had heard from somewhere that there is a great party in the sky by the birds. Then he convinced all the birds to go with them. Then he borrowed feathers from all of them, and then he was looking like a king of all the birds. And he went on the sky with them, and he ate all the best part of the food. When he ate all the best part of the food, the birds realized their mistakes, and they realized that the tortoise is deceiving everyone. Then they all left him on the sky, and everyone took his feathers. Those were borrowed by them. ठीक है. Then the parrot want to take a revenge from him. Then he give a wrong message to Tortoise wife. When he jumped from the sky, his shell broke into pieces. So this was the short summary of the lesson, that why the tortoise shell is not smooth. Students, now take out your activity books and open your page number 27. Mention day. Today is 3/7/2020 and day is Friday. Students, correct the day on your notebooks, that on 3 it is Friday, not the Tuesday. Okay, we have to solve this activity. I have learned this lesson. We have learned this lesson in our previous lecture, that was the lost ruby. Okay, so we have to complete this exercise from that lesson. Complete the following graphic organizer. Purpose: to find out which part of the lost ruby I like the best. Parts: characters, plot, and the moral. Okay, there was a part different parts of the lesson, so now they are asking that which part was your favorite. So you have to write the parts of that, these three things of that part. Okay, number 1, characters: king, minister, minister's wife, and the spy, because I like the first part of the lesson. Then describe each part. Plot: conspiracy made by the king to test the minister. Then moral: endure sorrow cheerfully. ठीक है. If your is different, then you can write your characters, your plot, your moral. ठीक है. Which part of the story do you like best and why? The party given by the minister to all needy people. He decided to live the last days of his life happily. After this, we have 2.7, exploring traditional stories. Answer these questions. Number 1, in what way is the chief minister is a stereotyped character, yani typical? He appears to be stereotyped character because he spent all his riches and lived the remaining days happily. Which part of the story is the climax, when the ruby was lost and had to forfeit all his possessions? What is the moral of this story? Endure sorrow cheerfully. Move to the next page, page number 28. Choose 2 adjectives that best describe each character in the following table. Then find evidence to support each adjective from the character's speech and actions. First character was king, so its adjective was wise and powerful, defender of world. Chief minister, good and wise man. Chief minister's wife, polite, humble, and cooperative. Students, why these are wise and powerful, defender of the world? Because he was very clever when he was decided to test the chief minister. And then how he decided to test him, you all know very well that's why we are saying that he is wise and powerful. Okay, then why he was a good and wise man? Because he went back with honestly, okay, and give that ruby back to the king. Then how we can find that she is polite, humble, and cooperative? Because when his husband said that we are going to spend our wealth freely, then she said okay, as you wish. Okay, that's why we can find out that she is very polite, humble, and cooperative. Then next, match these actions to a point on the timeline in the order they happen in the story. Okay, these are some of the events and they are unscrambled. Okay, you have to scramble them and put them the numbers. This is the first event, this is the second event, and this is the third event. The first one they have done it for you, that this was the first. So give the number that this is the number 1, Then where is number 2? Which event was on number 2? When the first one was the chief minister advises the king to remain cheerful even though he has worries. Then number 2 is the king takes offense at what the chief minister says and sets a test. So you will join it with this line. Okay. Then number 3, find the number 3. The king gives the chief minister a valuable ruby to look after. Then number 4, where is the number 4? Here is the number 4. The king sends someone to bring the ruby to him. Then number 5, the king throws the ruby into the river. Then the king asks the chief minister to return the ruby. The chief minister cannot find the ruby. The king tells the chief minister that he will be killed. Chief minister and his wife accept they have to die and spend their last few days partying and giving their money to the poor. Then the chief minister and his wife decided to eat a large fish to their last meal. Then the ruby falls out of the fish. The ruby is presented to the king. And then the king praises the chief minister for the following his advice by remaining cheerful even when facing great worries. Okay, so these are the events and their sequence, and mark their sequence and also match them with the correct options. Okay, correct lines. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and these are the numbers of these boxes or events. Okay, so students, this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.